Mastering the Flavor, the Art of Marinating Meats. Hello and welcome to today's culinary English lesson. In this video, we're diving into the delectable world of cooking, particularly focusing on the phrase, marinating meats. Whether you're a food enthusiast or simply looking to expand your English vocabulary in the kitchen, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the layers of flavor and meaning behind this common culinary term. Marinating is a culinary technique that involves soaking meats in a liquid mixture, known as a marinade, before cooking. This process is not just about adding flavor. It also tenderizes the meat, making it juicier and more enjoyable to eat. The marinade typically consists of various ingredients such as oils, vinegar, spices, herbs, and sometimes fruit juices. These ingredients work together to infuse the meat with rich flavors and soften its texture. Marinating meats serves two primary purposes: flavoring and tenderizing. 1. Flavoring. The marinade introduces a depth of flavor that penetrates the meat. Different cultures have unique marinade recipes that reflect their culinary heritage, from the zesty lemon and herb mixtures of the Mediterranean to the rich soy-based marinades of East Asia. 2. Tenderizing. Certain ingredients in the marinade, like vinegar, lemon juice, or yogurt, contain enzymes or acids that gently break down the proteins in the meat. This process makes the meat more tender and enjoyable to eat. 1. Time it right. Different meats require different marinating times. While fish and seafood might need just 30 minutes, beef or chicken can benefit from several hours or even overnight marinating. 2. Never reuse marinades. Always discard the marinade after use since it contains raw meat juices, which may harbor bacteria. 3. Marinate in the fridge. Always marinate meat in the refrigerator to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. 4. Keep it covered. Ensure the meat is fully submerged in the marinade and covered with a lid or plastic wrap to keep it moist and flavorful. Marinating meats is not just a cooking technique, it's a cultural imprint. Across the world, from the spicy tandoori marinades of India to the robust barbecue marinades of the American South, marinating methods tell a story of regional flavors and culinary traditions. Embracing these methods can be a delightful way to explore the culinary heritage of different cultures. That's a wrap on our flavorful journey through the art of marinating meats. Remember, marinating is more than just a step in cooking. It's a gateway to exploring a world of flavors and traditions. We hope this video has been informative and has spiced up your English learning experience. Happy cooking and happy learning!